In this video lesson, I would like to show you more details about the topic what is Forex industry. Here on the left side, I have written an article on the Get No Trading website where you can see more details, and I will use this article as a guide to give you more details about this topic. Here on the right side, I have a gold against US dollar on a 1 minute time frame where each candle here represents 1 minute. After 1 minute has closed, this candle will form it and it will move to the next one, and it will move in the future in the same way. I have a demo account so I can have virtual money that I can use and show you trading examples why I am explaining this topic. So let's start with the Forex industry topic. Here are the topics which I will cover: the Forex industry rules that are not mandatory, that are mandatory, industry trends, industry services, what is the size of the Forex industry, how much is it worth, and what are Forex industry news and the common industry scams. Yeah, there are also scams on the Forex market, which is also one of the markets where the scammers are trying to get your money without giving the value back. Now, what is the Forex industry? It is the industry like any others. You are doing something to make money. So the Forex market is also an industry where you are, as a smaller trader, using a broker in order to get access to the Forex market. So when the broker gives you a tool, for example, this is the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, I can open the trade and make money, but also I can lose the money. Here is the way how to trade. You click new order and you define will the price go down or will the price go up. So for example, the market price is currently here. So you need to predict will the price go up or down from the current market price. If I define up, I should click buy by market. If I define that the price will go down, I click sell by market. So in this case, I will click sell. Here you can see the details where in this last column, it is the profit, which tells me am I being in profit or in loss with this trade. Now you can see also on the chart, I have this green line, which represents the price at which I have opened the order. So the price needs to go up or down to make money or lose money. But in this case, you can see that the price is currently below and I have decided that the price will go down. So I am currently in profit for $13. If the price goes even more down, I will make more money. When I'm ready and I'm happy to close this trade with a profit or loss, I simply click here, this button, and click the close order, which will eventually give this amount of money here on my trading account balance. So Forex industry, as any other industry, is a place or industry where you can make money or lose money. So it is up to you, and it is up to your skills. Will you make money or lose money? So in this case, I will close this order with a profit. You can see that here, and this money will be added to my account balance. Now, the industry is the place where there are large banks are trading the similar way, where are the small traders, retail traders as we are, where we get access and also an option to make money, but also pay attention that we can also lose money if we predict the correct direction of the price. Now, here are the industry rules that are mandatory, and that means the rules that clearly defines does the provider comply with Forex industry rules are monitored by the regulatory body. So that means the broker which you need to in order to access the Forex market. So it is the same broker, for example, that you need to access the stock market. So you have a broker over which you buy or sell stocks. It is the same way for the Forex market. He gives you the access, he gives you the tool to the Forex market or their service with the banks behind them, and then you open the order and you are trading. So these brokers need to be regulators, so they are following certain rules which are mandatory. So you are not also the rules that are following and those regulatory body that puts the rules in front of them are trying to protect you as a trader. And that means the broker cannot take your money and not giving you a value back. But also, the broker, whenever you make money, he should allow you to withdraw that amount of money, that profit, to your bank account. So these are the mandatory rules. What are other rules? You can also check by visiting the regulatory body for certain country where you are trading and also where your broker is located. Now, rules that are not mandatory. The rules that are not mandatory, for example, the broker is not obligated to give you a proper education how to use the technical tools here. It is his will to give you more details and education about the tool he is providing you in order that you can easily learn and use this tool in order to make money on the Forex market. It is his option if he wants to give you education, and also there are certain other tools that he can provide you but that are not mandatory. For example, he can give you indicator that will help you in trading, but it is not mandatory. So for example, these are some kind of rules. Here you can also see more details which rules are not mandatory, but you can also find more details on the internet. Then industry rules that are mandatory, you can see that those are, for example, rules I have explained defined by the regulatory body, and for example, one of them is the leverage. They cannot give you leverage as a new trader larger than 1/30 or 1/50. What is the leverage and how it impacts? You should watch another video. But just to give you a rough overview, what is the leverage? Leverage defines how much of risk you can take per each trade. If the leverage is very small, you will be able to risk smaller amount of money of your trading account per each trade. But if the leverage is larger, it will allow you to open a trade that will give you a risk which is very high per trade. So this is something that the regulatory body is giving an restriction for a broker. He cannot give you larger leverage just in order to protect you as a small trader, a new trader with a smaller leverage. Now the trends. Well, Forex moving forward and the services become much better. Users are more satisfied and more protected. Most of the time, one of the best industry trends that can be increased is the number of tools that you can use, and also it is a protection that they can give you. The worst thing is when you start trading on the Forex market and you make money, but you cannot withdraw that money because of some limitations, or there is no a bank card allowed for depositing and also withdrawing bank accounts, and it's very slow. For example, when you withdraw your money, sometimes it can take days and days just to get the money on your bank account. These are, for example, the services that they are trying to improve in the future, so you are more satisfied. But most important thing of them is they are regulators, so they not take your money without giving you value back. That means being scammed, not being scammed. Now, what kind of industry services is on the Forex market? There are several services that you will see, and some of the companies are providing or individuals are providing. For example, as a service, I also provide you a trading informations, how to trade on the Forex market, education, what is the Forex market, like in this example. Then you have a signal providers, robot trading, which means they are robots that are trading for you. Then you have a consulting, then you have proprietary trading, which means you are given one or some of money, so you can trade that, and when you make money, you split the profit. Then there is account management, and that means you give money. For example, I have $8,000 on my trading account. I give this account to a trader. I give him access so he can trade for me. This is the account management. Then there is the market analysis, which I'm currently also doing each day and also each week, where the traders are giving their opinion on the market, where the price will move. For example, I give daily analysis where I expect and define where the market will move in the future, so the traders can benefit from those analysis. Now, what is the Forex industry size? It's pretty big, one of the biggest in the world, because you can see that we have 5,000 billions, which means 5 trillions per day traded on the Forex market, compared to 5 billions and 3 billions for the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. So it is 1,000 times larger than stock market. It's very, very large. Why is the difference so high? The main reason that the Forex industry worldwide and the stock exchange in New York is focused only on the US companies. So this is one of the biggest differences. One of the second difference is when the market is open. A Forex market is open 24 hours per day from Monday to Friday. So 5 days in a week is completely open for all traders in the world. But for the stock exchange market is only open when it is market open in that country. For the US, for example, you start in the morning at 9 o'clock and you finish at 5 o'clock. So 9 hours per day, stock market is open. So that is also one of the reasons why the stock market is smaller than the Forex. Then here it is the turnover for the markets, for the Forex market. You can see how this has changed during the day, during the years. This has probably increased in today's year, which is 2024. Now, what are Forex industry news? Now you can see the Forex news is impacted also by the banks. Whenever the bank is changing the rates, the interest rates, this will impact on the currencies in that country and also currencies in other countries. For example, because of the US dollar, which is also world currency, it will impact a large amount of countries in the world. So this impact, this news, if the news are very good for the US dollar, the other currencies, for example anote, it will lose its value against US dollar. So these are macroeconomic news, which gives more information about the economic health in that country. So the news are impacting on the market, and when the news are published, there is a high amount of volatility, and that means the price jumps a lot up and down because of that news. Then what are the scams? Well, as any industry, you can be scammed on the Forex, because large amount of money, it is being passed through the Forex market. This also, how to say that, brings a lot of scammers into this industry. So you will see lots of writing on the internet about the Forex. It's scam, you are scammed, it's gambling, and so on and so on. As any industry, if you buy something from eBay, for example, a cell phone, a smartphone, you can get a brick instead of a smartphone. So you can also be scammed on eBay. So everything is possible. So because of this financial market, which is a Forex, foreign exchange industry market, you can be scammed also because lots of money is being traded. So this brings lots of scammers on the market. So spot early signs of scams. These are signs that you can see. Whenever they promise you large sum of profit, avoid that. It's not possible, because being trader on the Forex market is not very easy, and only small amount of traders are making lots of amount of money. So it's not very easy to start, and it's not easy to be profitable in the long run, but it is possible. If you are patient, disciplined, you have trading system, risk management, and so on, if you have enough knowledge, you can be profitable. Now you can see what kind of other informations are pointing that this could be a scam. Avoid that. Try to make your due diligence and find out who are you talking with, which kind of broker is that, which kind of person is that you are talking with, just to be careful. Many traders has been scammed, so you can also read the forum reviews about the brokers you are currently looking to check, is it legit or not, is it scam or not, and so on and so on. So as a conclusion for the Forex industry, it's pretty large industry. A Forex industry larger than the stock market. Large amount of money is traded during the day. It's open from Monday to Friday, 24 hours, and you can start and make money at any time of a day. I hope this has shed some of the light to the Forex industry. What is? If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.